Hey guys, thank you for clicking this video. Today I have done my hair and this is not no wig, okay? This is not no wig.
Inspired by
Wengie.
She's a YouTuber here. She has, the only difference from Wengie is that Wengie has blue at the tips and she has purple, but you still got inspiration from her, right?
Yep.
And I'm going to be listing all the products down in the description box. We use the PULP RIOT brand hair color line. They're new to me, but they're super viral on Instagram and among all the professional hair colors. So let me show you how I got this look. Okay, so I already parted her hair and I already did this side. I'm going to show you how I do it, and the same thing I do here is the same thing I did over there already. So I part her hair like this, about that wide, and then here, and then we're going to go like this. And I know it looks scary, but all that teasing is for the color to blend really good. So we go like that, and we want to start teasing all the pieces about the same spot. So don't start some here and then some over there. We're going to do it about right here, and we want to do it enough to where this is thin enough for it to be in the foil, because if it's too thick, it's not going to get blonde enough. So
Is not my hair blonde?
yeah, it needs to be blonde before it's gonna we put the color. Yeah, because those colors would definitely not show up in your hair.
Oh, because I have dark hair and then
Yeah, so about like that. Okay.
I'll go to
And actually, the first thing I did is tease all the hairs like that, and then I went back and then I lightened them. So tell me, Giselle, why do you want to dye your hair?
Because I got this hairstyle from Wengie. If you haven't checked it out, that's something my mom will put it in the description so you can follow her.
Yes, yeah, she was inspired by Wengie, but Wengie has a lot of the hair color, so we definitely don't want to put that much lining on her and that much color on her. So we're gonna try to do it as close as possible, seeing tons of color, but with not that many foils in place. So you want to make sure it's even. You don't want to have bulky and then not so bulky. Even. And this actually I should have split it in two because it's a little thick. So like that. And this teasing is gonna allow it to where when I take out the teasing, it's gonna be like blending from her dark hair to the color. And for now, this one is gonna be a little different. You're gonna get it like that, and then I wanted her tips to be colored. So I'm gonna go above her shoulder, turn around like that, and I'm gonna start teasing like that. And again, I'm gonna make it to where this is thin enough for it to be in a foil. For lightener, I'm gonna be using the BLONDOR WELLA, and I'm using 30 volume developer, but I'm also using OLAPLEX in it, so that's gonna make the bleach act as if it's working with the 20 volume developer. I use 1.5 scoops of bleach to 1.5 scoops of developer to 1/8 of, oh, let's turn around like this, baby. Oh, wait, turn around so we can see. I'm putting it like that. So I'm not putting it where the teasing's at, I'm putting it like that. Make the product through, and then with dark hair you gotta make sure that it goes inside like that. And right here you don't really want to mark a harsh line, but I'm not blending. When you close it, make sure that you don't get this bleach on the teased hair, so be careful like that. Alright guys, so this is what the color turned out to be. I wish it was brighter and lighter so that the pink could be more of a true pink, because sometimes whenever it has too much like copperish or too much yellow tones into the blonde, sometimes the pink can turn out more of a corally, like a pinkish with the hint of like orange in it, like a peachy pink. And to get a true pink, most of the time you have to have it much lighter than this, like a pale yellow or lighter. And I don't want to dye hair, I don't want to bleach her hair any lighter because it's just gonna, you know, I don't want to damage it that much. I want to, you know, keep it as healthy as possible. So for that reason, I'm okay with that, even if I get like a different shade of pink than what I was going for. And as for the blue, it should get the blue just the way we like it. Oh no, you're not doing blue, you're doing pink up here and purple over here, right? Mm-hmm. And the purple, more than likely, you should get it, even though it's like this yellow with a hint of copper in it. And you just check the first one that you did and the last one to make sure they're about the same, to see if you need to go back over some spots or whatnot. But this is what it looks like. I'm gonna take this off and then I'm gonna rinse it really well. I'm gonna apply OLAPLEX step number 2 and then leave OLAPLEX for 10 minutes, and then after that shampoo OLAPLEX and then put the hair color on. And the hair color, this one you don't shampoo off, you just rinse it off with cool water until it's clear, the box says. And yeah, it's so late. I already did my other 2 kids' hair and
they came out beautiful.
They came out so cool. Yeah, I love PULP so far. And they went to sleep already, so now I'm gonna finish it. And as far as the teasing, don't worry about that.
Just turn it off.
First, we're gonna put the OLAPLEX on all those bleach pieces, and once we shampoo this out and condition it, we'll comb out all the tangles. And it's not as hard as it looks. It's usually pretty easy. Okay, so this is her hair right now. It's a pretty good color. I did shampoo and condition her hair right now after the OLAPLEX, and the only reason why I applied conditioner before I put the color is because in this case the color is not meant to be shampooed out, and I also really needed the conditioner to undo the tangles. So I love the way it came out over here, right here, and then this is the tips, the ends, and when she pulls her hair back. So now let's put the fun colors. On the top we're gonna put this pink. This is by PULP in the shade Candy. It's like a magenta pink, hot pink. And then on this one we're gonna make purple out of pink and a little bit of blue. Very little blue. Just first start off with your pink and then put very little blue, because a little bit of blue goes a long way. It gets dark really fast, and we're gonna make that purple. So we'll put that pink right here, magenta pink right here, and then blend it into the purple down here. Remember?
Can I mix it up?
No, because it's white otherwise here. So as you can see, it's getting purple already. So this is 2 shades. And I'm gonna pay attention where I stop the pink and where I start the purple. You want the pink on top, right?
Yeah.
You said pink and purple?
Yeah. Pink like right here.
Okay, let me see.
Like try to do like a rainbow, like she, you know.
And my guy's gonna be right here, like underneath her cheek.
Kind of like a light mama. Just set up.
With these thick sections, you really gotta make sure you go in there.
Mama, can you leave like a little brown piece over here, like a tiny, like at the very bottom? Huh?
I don't think that would look good, Mama. It's good.
Like wait, just do it a little bit like.
I'll leave a blonde strip right here, yeah?
Okay.
Does that sound cool?
Yeah. Cause I think the blonde really matches me, and I want to do blonde for next, just blonde, like the same way, you know. Even with those teasers, even though I don't like the teasers. Oh, that looks so cool. Guys, comment down below if you think this looks cool.
Pretty cool. So we're gonna do that. Oh, No, not right now. Hold on. Just
Okay.
hold it like that so you don't get. If you go like that, you're gonna get the purple and the pink. Go like that. And I'm gonna do the other section. And you wanna make sure the hair is completely dry before you start doing this.
Oh, I thought you were talking to me.
No.
Take to the vlog.
Right here.
Huh?
Yeah.
Big plate.
Okay. Although it's this blur brush by Redken. I never used it. Let's see. And it's just to blur color. Like that.
Ooh.
Okay. This are gonna be all purple. And then I'm gonna repeat the same thing to the other side, but just you want me to leave a little blonde piece out, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cause I wanted, like, next summer I want in like November I'm about to go to 5th grade because
Whoa. You cannot have your hair cut all the time, Mama. This is just like a, you know, like a little one thing. It's too little for that, okay?
Oh. Bottom it's
So I'm gonna repeat the same thing to the other side and just let it process and then rinse with cool water, no shampoo, and no conditioner.